morning class 5. Welcome to computer class. I am your teacher Nitesh Kumar. So this is our second video for class 5. In this video we read about chapter number 2, tables in MS Word. Chapter number 2. So first of all we have to know what is a table. A table is made of row and column. The vertical data is called column, the vertical data. So there is a 3 columns, and the horizontal data is called row. The horizontal data is called row. There is a 5 row, 1 2 3 4 5, and also every rectangular area or the each individual rectangular area is called cell. Everyone is a cell. This one is a cell, this one is a cell, and this one is a cell. Every box, this one is also a cell, this one is also a cell, but when we combine like this, then it's make a row, and when it's combined by like this is called the columns. But why we use the tables? We use the table to organize and display our data and information in an organized manner. If we want to show our data to anyone, अगर हमको अपना डेटा दिखाना है किसी को एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर में, तो हम लोग उसके लिए टेबल बनाते हैं. अगर हम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर में नहीं बनाएंगे तो क्या होगा कि उसी डेटा को दिखाने के लिए हमको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी होगी या बहुत ज़्यादा किसी को समझाना होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा लिखना होगा. लेकिन उन सब सिचुएशन से बचने के लिए हम टेबल बनाते हैं, जिससे हमारा जो भी डेटा होता है, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होता है, वो एक ब्रीफ मैनर में और एक कॉम्पैक्ट मैनर में हम लोग अपने व्यूअर्स को दिखा सकते हैं. वी कैन शो आवर डेटा इन अ कॉम्पैक्ट मैनर और अ फ्यू मैनर, in a brief manner we can show to our viewer, and it's very easy to understand also. Okay, so now we see a table in MS Word. So I already made a table in MS Word, but for you I'm gonna make one more table. So for this one, first of all I want to take a new page. You also see how can we take a new page. Go in a file tab, click on new option, take a blank page. There is some also layout sheet is also given, but I want to take a new page, a blank page. Now a blank page is up here. Now you see how can we create a table. There is so many way to create a table. So for creating a table, first of all go in insert tab. First of all we have to go in insert tab. It's related, it's near to the home tab, and it's between to the home and design tab, the insert tab. We have to go in insert tab. I'm going in insert tab. Insert tab is open. So first of all we go in a tables group. In insert tab we have to go in tables group and choose the table. So there is a 2 to 3 way how can we create a table. As you see, there is a so many box is also given, so we can use the box or select the box only. I'm not clicking any buttons from the mouse, I'm just select the box only. Okay, I'm just drag the mouse on the boxes without clicking anyone's or button. The table is created. This is the first way to create a table. Now I want to show you the next way. How can we create one more type of table? So first of all we have to go in insert tab one more time, go to the tables option, go in a insert tables option. We are choosing insert table. Now you see the number of column 5 and the number of row is 2. Now I'm just clicking OK. If you want to change the numbers, you can easily change the number. Just click on the box and change the number. For example, I want to put 10 columns. Okay, 10 columns and 5 row. Just and then click on the OK. There is some also feature, some more features is also given here, but I don't want to choose any one of them. Then I click OK. Now you see I have the table. How many column we choose? 10. So there is a column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 columns. And how many row we choose? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 row we have to choose. So there is a 5 row and 10 columns. So this is the way how can we choose the tables and column. Now filling the data, it's very easy. For example, I am filling a data, for example A, B, B, C, D, whatever you want, so you have to write. Now if I want to then a question arises, the boxes are too small, but if we want to feed the data is more than the more digit which we have in the more than the box, so what would happen? So I'm going to fill a more data. Look, the column size or the cell size is automatically changed for this one. This is the way how can we increase or decrease the size of a cell, and it's automatically increase the size of this cell and also the columns. Okay, it's also increase the size of this column. Okay, now when we take a table, the automatically two tabs are going to be visible: design tab and layout. Every table we have two tabs. Without table, when I clicking to the outside, look, the tabs are gone. When I click on the table, again the two tabs are coming, the design tab and layout tab. These tabs we have given by the tables. So what with the design tab, we can design our table with the help of design tab. Look, I'm designing my tables. Look, the whole design is changed, only some clickings. Now the layout, this is the layout tab, but I want to teach you layout from this box. This is a table which I already created for you. There is a name, class, roll number, subject's name, but I want to write something different. If I want to take a cell between the B and C, हमको B and C के बीच में एक पूरा कॉलम चाहिए, ठीक है? तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? B और दोनों में से किसी एक को सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, किसी भी एक को, ठीक है? मैंने एक को सेलेक्ट कर लिया है, मैंने B को सेलेक्ट किया. अब मैं फिर से जा रहा हूँ कहाँ? लेआउट ग्रुप में, और इंसर्ट बिलो, इंसर्ट अ रो बिलो. वी नीड वन मोर रो, देन आई हैव वन मोर रो. अब हमको क्लास और रोल नंबर के बीच में एक कॉलम चाहिए. देन आई सेलेक्ट द क्लास एंड इंसर्ट राइट. अगर आपको लेफ्ट में चाहिए होता, देन इंसर्ट लेफ्ट. ओके, नाउ हाउ कैन वी डिलीट अ column or a cell or a row? So you have to select this thing. As we already know, in anything in MS Word we have to select it, then the thing is must be applied. So I am selecting this one and click on the delete option. Delete the entire column, delete the entire cell. So whatever you want, choose it and it's deleted. Now I want to delete this one also. I am selecting this one. Now it's delete column. Now there is a one more way to select anything. Look, the cursor shape or the mouse shape is changed when I go in this area. When you have this type of shape of your mouse, then simply click the left mouse button and it select that shape. Okay, and then use your keyboard shift and then arrow key for select this one. This is another way to select the data, but we select the data with the help of mouse. Simply go and hold your left mouse button and drag it in the rest of the cell. Now your whole row is going to be selected. Now how can we want to delete? We want to delete this one, then go in a delete area, and now it's delete the, sorry, my mistake, delete the entire row. Now the entire row is deleted. Now I want to design this one also. Now my table is one more time it's designed by me. So okay, now how can we change the shape or how can we change the format of a text in a table? So first of all, for changing the shape or the format of a table, you have to select the table, select the table data. For example, I am selecting the this entire row. Okay, and then go to the home tab, or easily if you don't want to go to home tab, then simply right click on this area. अगर आप home tab में नहीं जाते तो right click कीजिए इस area पे, and then change the design which you want to change. Now you see the design is changed. Okay, you see this one is completely different from the another one. This is the way how can we change the design of our data. And now how can we fill or how can we insert a picture in a cell? For example, where we write the 78, I want to fill a picture at here. So how can we fill the picture? Simply, if you want to go from the insert tab, then I am going to the insert tab. First click on the cell when you want to insert. I am clicking on page number 78 or the cell number 78. Now go in a pictures area after the insert. How can we insert the picture? I am going to show you one more time. Go in a insert tab, choose the pictures option, and where you store the picture, go at that area. For example, I store my picture in D drive, so I'm going in a D drive, img, and the image option, or sorry, I'm storing my picture in G drive. Okay, in a study we have so many pictures. I'm taking this picture and then click on insert tab. Now you see the picture is only inserted in a cell, not the out of the cell, only inside of the cell. Okay, how it will be possible? Because we are selecting only one cell, so the data is only stored in a one cell. Okay, we can also increase and decrease the size of the picture. It's very easy. Now you see I am decreasing the size of the picture. So this is the way how can we read the, or how can we apply the tables in MS Word. I hope you all understand what I want to teach you in this chapter. Thank you.